Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into some exciting news about the $7,500 tax credit for US truck drivers. A new bipartisan bill has been passed in the name of Strengthening Supply Chains through Truck Drivers Incentive Act. What is this $7,500 tax credit? The tax credit is a government incentive to attract and retain the truck drivers. It would provide tax credit up to $7,500 with the tax credit is being passed. The tax credit is being passed in response to a shortage of truck drivers in the United States. Since the trucking deregulation happened in the year 1980, the industry has faced regular boom and bust episodes for every 18 to 24 months. Because of this boom and bust episodes, drivers are leaving the industry. During COVID, new trucking fleets poured into the market in order to make huge profits from sky-high rates. From July 2020 to December 2022, nearly 195,000 new carriers have entered into the market. About 70% of them are just owner-operators who own single truck. Due to low freight demand, the spot market had hit the bottom. As to avoid this driver shortage, the new bipartisan bill was passed. And let us see who are all eligible for it. A driver who has a valid Class A commercial driver license and who had drive at least 1900 hours. These are its criteria, and our drivers' adjusted gross income should not exceed jointly by $135,000 would be eligible for $7,500 tax credit, and who is a head of household, his income should not exceed $1,12,500, and for an individual, his adjusted gross income should not exceed $90,000. Let us see what are the eligible criteria of a new driver. A new driver is defined as someone who did not drive commercial truck for the preceding taxable year in course of trade or business, and he should have driven at least 1,420 hours in the current year, and he would be eligible for $10,000 as tax credit. And if someone who would drive less than 1,420 hours for current year should have at least an average of 40 hours per week to get the proportion of it as a tax credit. How does the tax credit work? The tax credit is a refundable tax credit, which means you can claim the tax credit even if you don't owe any taxes. This acts as an financial assistance to the truck drivers to attract and retain the qualified drivers. To claim the tax credit, you need to file a form 1040 with appropriate information. Thank you for watching.